So where have we been? It has been like 7 months since we put out a YouTube video. So where in the world have we been? What in the world have we been up to? What kind of excuse could we possibly have to have been gone for so long? Well, we're going to answer that question. Plus, we've got a really fun announcement that we're really excited about to share with you. So stick around as we talk about these things in Molding Our Monkeys. Welcome back to Molding Our Monkeys. Like I said, we've been gone for a while. It's been 7 months. It was back, I think I looked, it was December 8th was the last time we published a YouTube video, so that's kind of a long time. We had been publishing our videos somewhere between once a week and every 2 weeks for a few months, and honestly it was getting, we're getting a little burnt out. It gets to be kind of a grind to put out a video once a week or every 2 weeks, and you kind of want to see the numbers grow and the view counts grow and the subscribers grow, and that was happening, but not at like some insane rate, and we didn't expect this channel to just explode, but we were getting a little burnt out, so we ended up taking kind of a little Christmas break, which then kind of got extended a little bit longer. Just with life and things getting busy in our own lives. And then, as you're well aware, the world kind of changed with the COVID virus and just everything that happens when the world goes into a worldwide pandemic. I'm the pastor of a small church, so my video recording and editing time became very much devoted to preparing stuff for our worship services. So that definitely changed things. But through this all, we were still homeschooling, and we were still trying and endeavoring to mold our monkeys. So we wanted to get back to you guys and talk to you more about what we're doing, why we're doing what we're doing, and what we've been up to. If these are things you're interested in, we would love it if you would smash that like button. If you enjoy this video, it helps us out a lot if you just like the video. If you stumbled across this and you're thinking, who are these people and what are they talking about? Well, then subscribe to the channel. We here are trying to share our journey of molding our monkeys. So we're sharing homeschooling advice, some curriculum reviews, how we do school, how we mold our monkeys. So we're trying to share that with you, and hopefully it's useful to you. So if you like it, please subscribe, please hit the like button or hit notifications so you find out when we post videos, and we promise you won't have to wait 7 more months for another video. So that's a little bit about kind of what's kept me a little bit busy in the last 7 months. But Stefanie has been working on a really awesome project that we're really excited to share with you guys. So Stefanie, why don't you show them what you've got in your hands right there?
All right, so I noticed a couple years ago that my kids don't have a lot of picture books that they can relate to when it comes to schooling. You know, they don't get to go to some big first day of school and meet their teacher and their classmates and whatever, or their 100th day of school doesn't look like what the books say it should. So I decided that I'm going to change that. And so as of this week, we have Asher's Adventures, first day of kindergarten. It's about a little boy named Asher and his first day of homeschool kindergarten. It walks through a little bit about what a typical day of kindergarten at our house anyway looks like. I realize that it'll be a little bit different for everybody. But it's at least a more relatable book than some that you can find out there right now. My desire with Asher's Adventures is that, one, it gives the kids something to relate to, or a child who's going to begin to be homeschooled, give them maybe a little bit of an idea of what their days may look like. But also for parents who have never homeschooled before and maybe thinking, oh, what's this gonna look like? And it really portrays kindergarten as the low stress event that I believe it should be. So that's Asher and his adventures, and I'm hoping someday there will be a series on Asher and his family.
Yeah, so we're really excited that this book it's been a project that, I mean, how long have you been working on this, Stephanie?
I think I wrote my first draft in April of 2019, so
Yeah.
little over a year it took from start to finish.
But it's been rolling around your head for
Much longer than that.
much longer than that. So the book is available today. You can order it on Amazon. You can order it on
Barnes & Noble, Target.
Yeah. So we'll put some of those links in the description if you want to support us that way. This is not this YouTube channel is not really something we make money at. It's just something we do because we want to share our journey with you, and it's kind of fun. But this is a fun little thing that we're doing. So if you want to check it out, if you want to get it, you can certainly follow that link and pick it up on like I said, Amazon or Target or Barnes & Noble. And hopefully it's something that helps you communicate to your kids if you're thinking about homeschooling. The reality is that right now we realize there's a lot of people who are evaluating how they're going to educate their kids. Maybe they ended last school year educating their own kids, and really it's not fair to think of that as a homeschooling time. That's a crisis schooling time. So if you want to do something more than crisis schooling, we're hoping that our channel can help you with that. We got a playlist of 10 things you should think about or do before you start homeschooling. We'll put that link up here so you can link to that playlist, and you can watch through that and kind of get a place to start if you're thinking about homeschooling. And this book is hopefully maybe something that could be something to help you kind of have some of those conversations with your kids. Let them know what it might look like, because our hope for you is that you want to homeschool, that it looks different than a crisis schooling in a pandemic, that it is something that it's a little bit more planned out, a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more meant to be set out to be a certain way because you had a plan, because you were prepared, and not just okay, how do we survive today?
Right.
One of the things that we want to be about is being more than just trying to survive today, because we want to mold our monkeys. We want to do this for a reason. We want to have a plan in place. So yeah, that's kind of what we have for you today. Hope you'll check it out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you've made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you so much. I can't even tell you how much we appreciate that. It's been really fun, even over the last 7 months where we haven't been really putting out videos, to see our subscriber count grow pretty significantly, and also to see just the views continue to roll in as you have watched these videos and continue to watch them, even though there's not new ones coming out all the time. So thank you very much for that. Like I said, we'd love it if you'd like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you've got questions about the book, about homeschooling, about really anything that we've been talking about, leave those in the discussion and the comments there. We'd love to engage with you there, or other people who are part of the community that we're hoping to build here. Maybe they have answers for you as well. So speak up in the comments, and we will see you next time as we talk about molding our monkeys. Take care.